So my soon-to-be brother-in-law is coming over for dinner tonight, and we told him we were making ribs. I think he's gonna be a little bit surprised. So these probably don't look like the short ribs that you're used to. Instead of going with the bone, they're cut across the bone. Each one has a little piece of bone in there, which makes it absolutely fantastic. It adds to the flavor. Now we're gonna marinate these for a few hours, and that'll make it nice and tender and slammed full of flavor.
The only thing you need to do to prep the ribs is to remove the membrane. Use a sharp knife and cut one side free, and then give it a yank. Like pork ribs, it can be a little bit tricky, but you'll find an easy one every once in a while. For the marinade, add 1 cup of soy sauce, 1/2 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Then add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and tablespoon of minced ginger, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 2 or 3 chopped green onions, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and finally 2 or 3 tablespoons of pineapple juice, which will naturally tenderize the ribs. Add about 2 or 3 pounds of the ribs into the marinade and put in the fridge for 8 hours. Out on the grill, we have it preheated for medium-high. Now it's a good idea to grease up the grates with an oil-soaked paper towel to keep things from sticking. Then add the ribs directly over the heat and cook 4 or 5 minutes per side. Take the leftover marinade and bring it to a boil. Now this will kill any bacteria from the meat and make it safe to eat. Once it's boiled, add a tablespoon of cornstarch mixed into 2 tablespoons of water and take it off the heat once it starts boiling again. This will thicken it up and make a nice sauce. After 4 or 5 minutes, flip the ribs to the other side, and then we'll take them off after another 4 or 5 minutes. Look at that color, and they taste as good as they look. So we're gonna add a little bit of sauce to those ribs, and then throw on some kimchi. Now don't worry, there's a link to that video in the description below.
So it turns out my future brother-in-law was not unhappy to get those ribs. He was actually pretty excited about them. So excited, in fact, that he helped me cook them. So he was the star out there at the grill. It was just that easy. So if you like that video, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos about grilling and smoking, hit subscribe. And of course, the kimchi that came with this one, that one's right up here.